Hi guys, for this video I'm going to be taking you from day to night with 2 looks using 1 palette. Starting off, I moisturized my face with my Osea Malibu Atmosphere Protection Cream. Then I went with the Bare Republic Mineral Face Sunscreen. Put this all over your face. Don't forget to put SPF on daily, guys. It's very important. Make sure to blend it down your neck and get your itty bitty ears too, guys. Your ears are important too. Have you ever had sunburned ears? I have. It's not comfortable. And after you apply that, I'm just gonna sit here for a couple minutes and wait for this to set in and dry. This SPF takes a bit of time. It works very well under makeup, but it's just a waiting game. Next, for primer, I went in with the Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. I love the scent of this primer, it's delicious. Put a good layer of this in my T-zone. Been testing this out since I got it in my Petit Ward box, and I gotta say, I like it a lot. It's not too matte where it makes my skin feel dry or anything, but it definitely keeps oils at bay throughout the day. It makes my makeup last a wee bit longer. So, me gusta ver mucho. And for foundation, I went in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. I really like this foundation, but I think you guys already know that. It just gives just a beautiful luminous glow. It just makes me have a good skin day. I love it so much. I just use my Real Technique sponge and just blend this all over my face. I always think this foundation is a little bit too yellow for me, but every time I look at it in videos, it actually looks like it matches me pretty well. And after I've blended this all over my face, I'm going to take the Flower Beauty concealer and put this under my under eyes to conceal these dark circles because the girl has not been sleeping. Also concealing around my nose because makeup tends to disappear in those creases in my nostrils. I also get redness, so just get my jig on to some music while I blend this makeup out. Next is set. I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter powder in the bottom flat edge of my Real Technique sponge and just bounce that all over my face, set my under eyes, the whole thing. I really like this powder. It's pretty light in my opinion. I try to use as little as possible to not overset my makeup. And to set everything and make everything meld together as one, I'm going to take my Pixie Rose Glow Mist, which is my favorite setting mist in the world, and I'm running low. I need a new one, but seriously guys, it has a light scent to it and I just love it. It makes everything look so smooth and more skin-like. Okay, moving on to the LH Cosmetics Infinity Palette. I haven't touched this baby in a while, but to start off this daytime look, I'm going to take the color Zwicki and just use that to bronze up the skin. And this is just a nice warm color. I really love this Infinity palette from LH Cosmetics and I have not used it in a while and I forgot about it, to be honest. But it's definitely a wonderful palette. I love multi-purpose palettes. My favorites are multi-purpose palettes. This is one that I would always take with me traveling. And I have an upcoming trip to Hawaii. I might bring it with me. Most of the things I want to take with me are cream palettes because they're just easy to slap on your face and go. I'm then going to take the shades Andromeda and Pinwheel. I'm going to mix both of them and use that as blush. Both colors are gorgeous. Andromeda is more like a peachy one with some shimmer in it, and Pinwheel is more of a matte pink. But I just felt like mixing them for this look today, guys. I'm taking Zwicki into my crease. So a lot of times for daytime, I just put whatever bronzer I put all over my face into my crease and call it a day. So blending that into the crease to my heart's delight. Then taking, I believe I mixed Andromeda and Pinwheel again for this, but I'm just placing those colors all over the lid. A nice monochromatic kind of look, so everything just matches each other and just creates a beautiful cohesive look. Then taking some more of Zwicki and just blend everything together. Taking Milky Way and just adding a bit of shine. Also adding that to my brow bone. And there it is, guys. I definitely put some highlight on. But yep, look, using Milky Way. And just, lightly adding that to my cheeks for some daytime glam. Ready for the brows? I'm going in with Zwick again and some cigar, just mixing those two colors and filling up my brows with some powder. It's good for brows too, guys. I'm telling you, this palette is amazing. Then to complete the eyes, I went with Pacifica Stellar Gaze Mascara. This is a great everyday mascara, and just add some nice definition and length. But to complete this daytime look, I went in with Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in one of my favorite shades ever. I went in with Bear With Me. It's a beautiful peachy pinky nude. It's my favorite daytime color. And it's another shade I forgot about. I need to buy myself a fresh bottle. I love this stuff so much. And that, guys, completes this daytime look. I really love it. It's like feminine and beautiful and pretty, and I just feel cute. Now for the nighttime look, just to make this look more dramatic, I went in with Fornex, and I'm just putting that all over the lid. Very easy way to add some drama to the look. Just add black. Then using more of the bronzer from earlier, I'm gonna mix. That's not the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna blend Fornex with the crease color. Yeah, just blend it in with your bronzer and a fluffy brush in the crease until you get the shape that you like. And then I'm taking Zwick again and just blending that on the lower lash line. Super simple and easy, but I love it. Then I'm taking some more of Milky Way and adding that into the inner corner. And then I had the bright idea, let's make this, add the drama. Add the glam, add the glitz, I took my setting spray and I wet the brush and bam, shinier. It's shine bright like a diamond, I always say. Intensifying everything with some setting spray. Anyways, moving on. And in my highlighter brush, I mixed both Virgil and Milky Way. I think it's Virgil, the top shape. But I just mixed that in with Milky Way and just look at that. It made it like 10 times more intense. Let's just highlight everywhere. Yep. Everywhere. You never have too much highlight. Then I went in with Cigar, and I wanted to add some contour and chisel those cheeks very slightly. I already have some shadow on my cheekbones, so I try not to take the contour too far out, and I just focus on the back part of my cheeks. That's where I like to have my contour if I ever use it, because I rarely ever do it. But for this look, I decided to put the heck not. Then adding more pinwheel and make sure everything melds together and looks more cohesive, and it's not just stripes of color separated from each other, just a mishmash of all together. Then adding another layer of my mascara. This mascara is not the most volumizing, so if you want more volume, definitely use a volumizing mascara. Maybe some volume, but I think it's more separating, which I like. And then I'm using this eyeliner I got in the Pretty Boy box. It's the Pure Minerals Organic Eyeliner in black. Just use this to line my waterline. Taking the color Moon, just gonna finish this look off with this beautiful formula of a lipstick that is Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. One of my favorites. Such a good formula. I love this day to night look. I feel very sexy, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.